So next thing is his head. Huh. Looks pretty nice, but I think it will be big for me, and it is. It's like L size. It looks like military hat. Nice build. It's from canvas. I will definitely use it. Maybe for myself, maybe for gift. But not nice build. Very nice sewing work. Fine.